Today we're unboxing Sailor Prophet Jr. plus Yurameku set kangyou. I bought this for 2,195 pesos in Scribe PH in Mega Mall. I bought this with my Traveler's Notebook Camel to be used on the same journal. This is a set that includes a 10 ml mini bottle of shimmering ink, a fountain pen expressing that color, and a converter that you can start to use right away. The fountain pen is equipped with a calligraphy nib that allows for bold writing that makes it easier to see the changing colors of the shimmering ink. So the reason why I bought this one, since this is a calligraphy ink with two options for the thickness, I can do this for my journaling and not bring too much fountain pen even when I am traveling or when I'm outside in the office or the clinics. This is some information for the pen and how to take care of it and how to refill. As you can see, this pen is made from plastics. Very light. It's even lighter than my Lamy Safari pen. I know some fountain pen users like fountain pens on the heavier side, but for me, I think this is okay. Since I'm a dermatologist and a transcriptionist, I use my hands a lot, so it gets tired rather quickly and I want to preserve my energy. So a lighter pen is best suited for me. So here I am inking the pen for the first time. At first I had a little bit of trouble inking the pen, but after a few tries, I was able to ink it properly. Now for the writing test using this craft paper. As you can see, I have some of my pens pulled on it. So I like this pen. Even on the first inking, the flow of the pen is really great. I didn't have any problem writing, even on fine or medium nib. Sorry for the quality of the video, but I will put a picture of the writing test I did at the end. Regarding the feel of the nib while writing, the fine nib is a little bit scratchy, while the medium nib has a little bit of a soft flow to it. I much prefer writing on the medium nib on this one than on the fine nib. For me, I found it useful to be used writing on capitalized letters on the start of my journal or some of my headings. What did you guys think of this Sailor Prophet Jr. that I unboxed? Do you have this pen in particular and how did you like it? Tell me in the comment section. And tell me if you want me to compare this pen to my Lamy Safari and Nemosin Singularity. Reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. See you on the comment section. Thank you.